Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest Lawn. Today we're going to talk about our 50-gallon low-profile piston pump rig, some of the features that it has, and just some basic maintenance that you might need to know. This rig comes with a 212cc motor. Bolted directly to the crank housing is the Mirayama MSD 41-3 piston pump. This pump will output up to 500 psi and 8 gallons per minute. Inside the red cap here is where the oil reservoir is. We use a 10W30 oil inside this pump. On the side of the pump, you'll see a little sight glass here. That's how you can check your oil levels. You want to make sure that it's filled up at least to the middle of that red dot. Now, something special with this pump that you might not notice with other pumps is that when you're operating this pump, sometimes that oil inside that sight glass might appear to be a little milky. On the diaphragm pumps, usually that's a sign of trouble that you need to repair your diaphragms. On this pump, it's not necessarily as much of a concern. That's just some of the lubricants that are in there mixing with the oil and giving it that milky color. The 10W30 oil in there helps kind of prevent some of that, but you still might notice a little bit of discoloring inside that pump. This rig is equipped with a 50-gallon low-profile tank. It's UV resistant and resistant to stains. It won't discolor on you. This rig is equipped with an aluminum frame. Everything is all welded, not bolted together. It's lightweight, durable, and it'll never rust on you. This pump rig is equipped with a Han-A reel, powder-coated silver, some of the best reels in the business that you can get. It has 300 feet of 3/8 ID hose with a 600-pound working pressure and 1,800 pounds burst. It also has a little quick connect on there for you to be able to connect guns or tools, or maybe some of your termite tools or other accessories. It has a 50-gallon low-profile poly tank that's UV resistant. It won't stain with chemical use or with sun bleaching. Inside the engine, like the pump, we put a 10W30 or a 30-weight oil in here. Just make sure that you're maintaining your oil and checking it about every week. Just make sure you got good oil levels in there, and it keep the longevity of your pump and the longevity of your motor on there. This Mirayama pump is historically a very trouble-free pump. Make sure that your pressure regulator is on start whenever you start your motor, and you can always turn it just to whatever desired pressure you need. Your pressure will be read out on this little pressure gauge over here to the side. This rig also has a strainer and a ball valve on it. Like the oil in your engine and in your pump, you'll want to check the strainer weekly just to make sure there's no debris or anything built up. To do that, you want to make sure that your engine and your pump are turned off. You want to turn your ball valve 90 degrees, and then you'll want to unscrew your strainer basket clockwise. When the strainer basket comes off, you'll notice that there's a stainless steel strainer in there, along with the little rubber O-ring. You'll want to make sure that you clean out your strainer really well, and then also inspect the O-ring in there. Make sure there's no cuts or abrasions. That's where you can get a lot of pressure loss. Make sure that your strainer's nice and clean. Set it inside the strainer basket. Put the O-ring on top and screw it back in there counterclockwise. Make sure it's nice and secure. This overall rig is just one of the most versatile rigs that we sell. You can use it from anywhere, from termite work, just regular general pesticide spraying or tree spraying. It'll reach the soffit of a 2-story house easily and delivers all the pressure and up to 8 gallons per minute that you might need. This is probably one of my favorite rigs that we sell here. Each one of our rigs is passed through a thorough multi-point inspection by our top and lead fabricators. We check each pump and make sure it functions properly and make sure it pressures up to the designated pressure. We inspect all connections for any leaks or possible points of failure. Only then, when it passes every step of our inspection, is it allowed to ship to one of our customers. Any rig north of 25 gallons will be shipped to you via freight truck. Upon delivery of the rig, make sure that you do a full thorough inspection, walk around the rig, and look for anything that could be bent, cracked, broken, or damaged in transit. Make sure you notate that with the driver before taking possession of the rig. After the driver leaves, you can reach out to our customer service and we can help mitigate any concerns that you might have. If you have any other questions about this rig, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by one of our stores. I'm Jason Baker with Solutions Pest Lawn.